Evade. To avoid something or someone, especially in a tricky or clever way. Example: he tried to evade the teacher's questions by pretending he didn't hear her. Vigilant. Being very alert and watchful for possible danger or problems. Example: the security guard was vigilant throughout the night. Substantiate. To provide evidence to support or prove the truth of something. Example: they needed to substantiate their claims with solid evidence or facts. Auspicious. Good for success or helpful for doing well. Example: they chose an auspicious date for their wedding. Concur. To agree or have the same opinion. Example: I concur with your assessment of the situation. Dexterous. Showing skill, especially with your hands. Example: the dexterous surgeon performed the complex operation successfully. Insinuate. To suggest or hint that something bad might happen without saying it directly. Example: he tried to insinuate that she was responsible for the mistake. Jargon. Special words or expressions used by a particular profession or group. Example: medical jargon can be difficult for patients to understand. Kudos. Praise and respect given for doing something great. Example: she received kudos for her outstanding performance in the project. Fervent. Having or showing very strong and intense feelings about something. Example: he is a fervent supporter of environmental conservation. Gregarious. Enjoys being around others, friendly and likes to socialize. Example: his gregarious nature makes him popular at social gatherings. Mitigate. To make something less bad, serious, or painful. Example: measures were taken to mitigate the effects of the natural disaster. Novel. New or unusual in an interesting way. Example: the company introduced a novel approach to customer service. Ostentatious. showing off in a flashy or overly fancy way to impress others. Example, his ostentatious lifestyle was the talk of the town. Quintessential, representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. Example, she is the quintessential example of a dedicated teacher. Reiterate, to repeat something, usually to make it clearer or more important. Example, he reiterated his commitment to the project during the meeting. Transcend, to go beyond or exceed the limits of something. Example, her talents seem to transcend all expectations. Vindicate, to prove that someone is innocent or not guilty. Example, new evidence helped vindicate the wrongly accused man. Zany, funny and quirky in a unique way. Example, his zany sense of humor always entertained his friends. Ambivalent, that having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Example, she felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. Belligerent, unfriendly and ready to fight. Example, his belligerent attitude made it difficult to resolve the conflict. Judicious, having, showing, or done with good judgment or sense. Example, she made a judicious decision to invest in renewable energy. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.